How to make Play-Doh ice cream. Hold up. On the Play-Doh here. First you get a bunch. You can make it like a ice cream fail, like this. Ice cream. Just babies. Now you're gonna see how to make proper ice cream. Squish, squish, squish. There. You turn, turn, turn. Twist, 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 twist. Twist, twist, twist. Twist. And keep twisting. Then put it on the circle around here. And turn, 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 turn. Like that.
Ice cream.
Squish it out.
Show it to me.
Like that. You're holding the camera. So you're holding the iPhone. Then you get another one. Then hold. Then twist, 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 like you did with that. Twist, twist, twist. Then put this one. Turn, 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 like that. You get another one. Twist, twist. Twist, twist. Twist, twist.
It's kind of showing.
You get twist, 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 twist. Then stuff it on here. Then twist, 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 twist.
Show it to me.
But you're holding the camera.
There.
Oof, sheesh, get that.
Because you're covering it in your hand.
Then you hold it. Then you, this time, you go like this. Twist on top of each other. Twist on top of each other.
Tell me when you finish.
Wait, yeah, I'll tell you. Ka-ching. Then for extra decorations, just like for me, you can do any decoration, but for me, I'll do this. Get little balls like this.
Yeah.
Twist. And this is another Play-Doh. Baby Play-Doh. Then you do this. Squish, 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 squish. Do this. Another one. Squish, squish, squish. You turn. And then this. Get pink Play-Doh. Wait.
But nothing here.
Yeah, you get pink Play-Doh. Then you attach onto the pip. Like that.
It looks nice and shiny.
It's like a raspberry or strawberry stuck on it. Pinky ones.
But it looks shiny.
I'll take you.
Lemon, but sure.
And then you get these. You know. Like that. Yeah. And thank you for watching my video. Next time, I'll show you how to make another Play-Doh video. Meet you next time on how to make Play-Doh instruments and things, objects. Now see you later. Catch you next time.